you're doing? Making siomai. Wow. Next na. Don't remove.
Pwede ito yatin.
Wag na. Later na lang. Oh, go get muna. Get smaller wrapper. Siomai wrapper. Put it on the plate. Oh, go put it on the plate. No. Don't paste it. Put it on the plate. And then I'll get one scoop. That's fine. No? Put one scoop. Go. Put one scoop of meat. One scoop. And put it on the... Okay, and close. Very good. Don't go out. Don't go out. Finish your work. Done? Oh, what's next? Go. Then we're gonna put it on the steamer. No, don't smell. Okay, so this is some siomai.
Mommy.
Then we're gonna steam it now. Now go. Shh, no. Okay, go. Put it there. Put it there.
Yun.
I-steam natin eh. Go.
Steam.
Opo, para maluto na. I'll go. So you can eat your siomai. I'll go. And next, close it. Close. Wow, good job. Oops, make some more. Then, gonna ready for the steamer.
Mama.
Wow. Galing.
Mommy, ayaw.
It's okay. Close mo.
Mama.
Okay. Make sure to gusto yun. Go.
Mami, gusto kumain.
Later, ayun, niluto ko na iba. Ito na. Make some more para meron kang kakainin.
Hoy.
Nice.
Papa.
Kunti lang. Huwag madami. Only one scoop. Hindi kasya sa ano.
Mama.
Finish your work. Someone, go back. Sayang yung video. Walang tao.
Nene.
Go next. Go. Go, go, go.
Mommy po na yan.
Yay. Wow, Mama will open, okay? Careful. Yummy. Oops. Sino nagawa niyan?
Ako.